This is my pneumatic can crusher. The air comes in here into the back, and I used a Series 1 Junior programmable controller. These are 4 24-volt IDEC relays. You drop the cans in up here in the chute and they fall down into here. And I'll have to take that screen off so we can see. So now that the plexiglass is off, we can see the inside. It uses an optical sensor in the back there, that yellow thing, and shoots a beam across and reflects, and that's just silver duct tape. This is a rotating cylinder that feeds the cans, and then there's just a standard push cylinder here. So the cans fall into there, and then when they're crushed they fall out through that slot, and everything is controlled by just these 4 air solenoids here. So I'll show you how the cans load. Alright, so here's the control panel. This one up here is just the main power. This is an emergency stop button. This turns the rotary cylinder on. This turns the air pressure on. This is the go button, and this is just a key switch, and these are 4 LEDs I put in. One is when it's stopped, one is when the can's loaded, and one is when it's ready to go. So you start it by plugging it in here and pushing the breaker on, so the power light comes on. Then you turn the key on up here, and it's on, and it's in stop. The stop light's on. Turn the air on, and turn the can feeder on. And so now we'll drop a can in, so you can see what that looks like. So, start by taking a can, you just put it in the top, like so. And if you watch the control panel there, that center light will come on when we drop the can. And now it knows that there's a can loaded. And it's ready to just be filled up, so I'll quick fill it up with cans. Alright, now you can see all the cans are loaded. It holds 11 cans when it's full. So all we got to do now is push this red center button, and that'll change the red stop light to the green go light, and it'll start crushing. So let's see what happens. So just to prove that it is actually automatic, I'll take another can and drop it in here, and you can watch the LEDs change.